I love the country where I live in. I love my India. My heart and soul are for my country. Such feelings, such feelings of our leaders made India free from British rulers. And from struggle to freedom, India moved forward. Truly. True patriots can change the lives of the nations. Good morning to the respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. As India completed another glorious year of her independence, I, Meenakshi Chaudhary, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. India is the land that gave birth to Gautam Buddha, Sur, Tulsi, Kabir, King Ashoka, Acharya Patanjali, Sir C.V. Raman, Homi Bhabha, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and there's more. It's proud moment for us that this year our country has won a number of bronze, silver, and gold medals in the Tokyo Olympics 2020-21. This week, we are also celebrating the Olympic Mahakumbh and the achievements of our sports persons. My dear friends, we are celebrating 75 years of independence. India achieved independence because of the non-violence and civil disobedience movement led by the Indian National Congress. It was on 15th of August 1947 that India was declared independent from British colonialism. We know well that our country achieved independence after a long freedom struggle. But there is a question before us. Are we really independent? We are yet to achieve freedom from corruption, poverty, child labor. When we look around us, we see that in the remotest villages, people are unable to fulfill their basic necessities. We need to think and work on this. My dear friends, is this that independent India our forefathers dreamt of? Is this the country we feel proud of? India is our country, and it's high time that each and every citizen of the nation should realize their duties and responsibilities. We need to work with devotion, dedication, and sincerity. Every caste and religion should live in peace, and the day all this is done, that day will be the happiest day for India. Once Gandhiji said, "Be the change you want to see." Therefore, we need to bring about changes in ourselves and should take up responsibilities as we are the dominant pillars of our country. And then India will be free in its true sense. Jai Hind.